Hi, Lisa Seguin here for iBuzz Pro Voice Broadcasting System. Just wanted to share with you guys today a little bit about how the iBuzz Pro Voice Broadcaster has revolutionized the way I market my business. It has completely transformed the way I do business, and it's the only thing that I use now. Just that and some actual software that works in conjunction with it, but I'll get to that in another video. Prior to using the iBuzz Pro Voice Broadcaster, I was really wasting a lot of time and money on doing such things like pay-per-click. I was running solo ads. I was doing some marketing in some of the very popular network marketing magazines, which, by the way, are very expensive. You'll spend for one ad for one person just what you'd spend on the voice broadcaster alone, and that ad will only run once. The voice broadcaster you will be able to use forever. Currently I run 2 to 3 campaigns a week on my voice broadcaster. The first campaign that I ever ran, I was very excited. I actually had 14 transfers, which means that out of all the people that my voice broadcaster called, 14 people actually pressed 1 and requested more information. So that was very exciting for me, that people actually wanted to hear back from me and wanted information from me. And of course, when I called to talk to them, then it was very easy. It was very comfortable because they were expecting my call. Not like some of the cold calling that I've done in the past when I bought leads, and of course then when you call, they don't know what the heck you're talking about, don't know how they got on your list, don't know what they signed up for. So that was kind of a nightmare for me. Didn't really like doing that. But now the way I market, people are actually looking forward to my call and expecting my call. And I find that really refreshing in this business, because for so long it was really not that way. So I can't highly recommend enough getting this voice broadcasting system. It will work for any business. It doesn't matter if you're in direct marketing or network marketing or really any kind of business. All kinds of people use it. It's really just such a phenomenal tool and so affordable and user-friendly. Go below to theverycoolvideo.com and put your email in and go through the system, watch the videos, and then you can request a call back from me, and I'll be in touch.